What is up, guys? What's the deal? It's Mr. Legit back out here where Charlie from Owens Corning told us that we installed our ridge backwards. So we're out here today to make it right. So it's over here. Let's go check it out. Over here, and look. See out the gap right here? So that gap, we have to fill that gap. So what we're gonna do today is teach you guys how to do a ridge repair. Now, if you had a couple missing shingles, this will work as well. So it's pretty good. We do have Owens Corning decal ridge right here with their vent shore exhaust ventilation. So what you have to do, we're gonna take off these two ridge vents to replace this, because you can see there's a split right here. See that split? So he wants us to take this and flip it. So what we're gonna have to do is take off this nail, these two ridge vents. These two ridge caps. So what you have to do is slide underneath here. First you have to break the seal, slide underneath here. So also with this flat bar, these flat bars work the absolute best. So break the seal, and there's two nails. There's two nails. Take the nails out, just get like this. Just get in there. Okay, take it out. You got one more. We'll get two more to take out. Okay, here's that one, and here's that one. Okay, now what we're gonna do is take this out. Look, wada bam. Now we're gonna take these out as well. These, again, this will work with any ridge cap, anything. You wanna take the nails out first. Sometimes you could slide in here and pull them out like that as well. And take these nails out. We got two more nails to take out, and then we're golden. So I like to lift it up and slide it underneath a little bit. That way you don't really break the seal. See how those, look at the hole. See how it's a little tiny hole? Rather than pulling up and out, because you create a bigger hole. So we can reuse this still. See? See that? How we just do that? You take this out, take this last one out. This last one's kind of a booger. And just pull that right out. Okay, now we have to take out these four nails. All right, so you get in here. Get up underneath there. Same thing. Same way as before. Okay, now see this side. So watch. So when I say he did the wrong side, look. Here's the factory edge. This is the side that they want, not the open side. See how they put the open side over here? He wants that. That way it allows bugs to really not get in there. So all we have to do is simply turn it around, line it up, and put it back together. Pretty simple. So go ahead and put your nails back in, and then put your shingle like that, your deco ridge cap like that, line them up to make it good, and then now all we have to do is put our nails in and we're done. Bada bam, bada boom. Here's new. Inspection passed. All right, guys, that was super simple. It took 5 minutes. I'm gonna put a link in the description on the actual inspection, on him calling us out and showing this. So if you guys like what you saw, like, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram. We have all of that going on. So make sure to check it out. Stay tuned for more videos. Mr. Legit, we're out of here.